Is GramFree really a great and easy way to make money online, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and I have seen a lot of hype about GramFree, and a lot of viewers here on my YouTube channel have asked me about it. So I decided to dig deeper and take an inside look. And in this GramFree review, I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how it works. And let me just reveal right away that some very important details that you're not told, and you need to know about these before deciding if you should join or not. So let's just jump right to it. And GramFree is supposedly a platform where you can earn a cryptocurrency called Gram. And then if you get in now, they say that it has huge potential and you can earn a lot of money just by doing simple tasks and inviting others and more. But all that I will show you about later when I give you an inside look. First, I want to go over the sign up process, because already here I came across something that was a little bit strange that you definitely also need to consider and take into consideration when you overall decide whether you should join or not. And let me just make it clear that you can actually join from all countries, but please do not join until after you watch this video here, so you know what to expect. But it seems quite simple. You just sign up here, and then you can choose to then create an account with either Facebook or Google. So one thing I then notice here is they actually do have some terms and conditions. They do not have anything like that on the main website there. You have to go to the sign up before you can find that. And that in itself is a little bit strange. But what I then notice is there's no privacy policy, but you will actually be signing up with your Facebook account or your Google account, which means they will actually get access to data about you because you use this account to actually sign up and verify your account. But there's no privacy policy, so you do not know what they will actually use the information that you give them for. And that's in itself is something that actually worried me when I was signing up here, but at least they had these terms and conditions. I would just also like to see a privacy policy. But I still decided to actually sign up here so I could have an inside look and test it. And now I will then log in and show you exactly what you then get on the inside. So I have now logged into GramFree, and once you come inside here, there are several ways where you can supposedly earn. And then there's also a way where they would like you to invest something, but there are also free ways. The investment we'll just get to a little bit later here. But there are some options here. You can see there is something where you can roll and earn potentially some grams for free. And that's one way, so let's just try that. I believe it's once per hour you can do that, so I'll just try that now. And here you can then just press here to roll, and you can see it generates a number there, and then I won 0.1 gram. Later I will go over how much that's actually worth, but it's really not a lot. Let me just reveal that right away. But that's something you can do once per hour and supposedly earn something for free. But what you need to consider before starting doing that is, of course, if you can actually get your money, and we will get to that later. But this is the first supposed free way where you can actually earn. And then they have another one over here, which is called videos. Here you can then supposedly get paid to watch videos here. The big concern I have about this earning method here inside GramFree is the type of videos that you can actually supposedly earn by watching here. There definitely are platforms that will pay you to actually watch videos, and there are quite a lot of those. And usually they will have a lot of different videos, but inside GramFree, the only videos you can see here I will supposedly get paid to earn are videos that promote GramFree. And I've watched some of them, and it's like, they're quite bad to be honest, but it's a way for them to try to get views for videos that tell good things about GramFree, people that are not critical, that are not giving you all the details. And this is just a red flag in my opinion, that the only videos you can see here are videos that talk nicely about GramFree. So they're clearly just trying to give them more views, to give more attention. So critical videos like mine does not actually get the attention, but you can actually help my video to get more attention just by actually hitting the like button. And also if you have any comments or anything, just leave a comment below here, because that can help my video to also be seen, so more people will hear what they really need to consider instead of watching these videos here that are promoted by GramFree itself. So a way that they would really like you to supposedly earn here is by investing in grams, because if you know anything about cryptocurrencies, you know if you get in at the right time, it really can have a big potential. And then you can potentially earn quite good money if you get the right cryptocurrencies at the right time. And here you can, for example, see the price of gram. They say that 1 gram is worth $3.54. And then you can deposit, meaning that you can actually buy grams for this price here. But then I jumped to a couple of other platforms to see what they say the value of gram is actually. And you can see this platform here says that a gram is actually worth $0.00004, and this one says it's 0.00002 there, right? So this is very different from these $3.50 here. And that's definitely strange. So what I'm trying to say is that you should not invest any money here on GramFree, in my opinion. Do not invest in gram here. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies, you should rely on platforms that are trustworthy, completely trustworthy, and have really, really great reputations for being able to securely handle any cryptocurrency trades. For example, like Binance or Coinbase, and below here I will leave links to those platforms. If you decide you actually want to trade cryptocurrency, then I would definitely encourage you to use platforms like that instead. I would not recommend to invest money here because there's just something strange going on about that. And when you put it all together, also not just the price here, but also the weird earning methods here, because they are just self-promotion, their own videos here, and all these things here, it's just really not worth it in my opinion. But this is not the only thing you also need to consider. There's also the whole aspect of the payout methods, how you can then withdraw. That is important to consider. So let's go over that also. So I have now jumped to the withdrawal section, and that section alone also just seems strange when you've used other sites where you can withdraw money. There's just some information here that I don't really see. For example, when can you actually take your earning out? It shows here that there's some different withdrawal methods here, but like I haven't earned any of these things here. I've only earned grams. So what am I actually filling out here? I'm supposed to put here? Like all these things here, it's just a little bit strange, and that's also something that is a red flag in my opinion. And then also if you jump to the FAQ section here, you can see that they have something, what is the minimum withdrawal here, and then it says today it is 500 gram. It has been like that for a very long time, so it's not just today, it's kind of like the general payout threshold. 500 grams is, first of all, really not a lot of money if you go by the rates like I found on other sites. If you trust GramFree itself, it's of course quite a lot of money, but I would not trust that. But that's a whole nother thing. So to actually earn 500 grams, the videos that I showed you, you would earn 0.1 gram. So that means that you would have to watch 100 of those videos promoting GramFree to be able to earn just 1 gram. And it would also take a long time to just earn that 1 gram there, and you need 500 to be able to supposedly withdraw. That in itself is also a huge red flag that you really need to consider. So overall, I am definitely not impressed by GramFree. I've seen a lot of hype about it. I've been asked a lot about it. And it seems like some people are willing to invest quite a lot here to get the chance to actually potentially get in on cryptocurrencies at the right time. But I would definitely not encourage you to give any personal information here or to invest any money here. There are just too many suspicious things going on and some weird claims, and there's no privacy policy, and they're just promoting their own videos that talk nicely about them. And overall, it's just not a platform worth it. It's just way too risky in my opinion. And I have been asked a lot about it, so I really hope that this review has helped you get a broader perspective about it and figure out what you need to consider before joining. And if you have any experiences with GramFree yourself, or if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you in a comment below here. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it, get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.